night guard usually prescribed to the patient with night grinding or clenching problem during sleep to protect their teeth for damage or wear. So constant grinding and clenchings can actually lead to broken teeth and affect your underlying bone and also the joint known as TMJ disorder, which is very painful. So how a night guard can actually help to protect your teeth is that they will help to redistribute the bite force, reduce the stress, and prevent abnormal wear. When it comes to night grinding, right, it can actually act as a protective barrier in between your upper and lower teeth to act as a cushion to absorb the shock and prevent further damage. So your night guard are either made of hard or soft plastic and fit snugly over your upper or lower teeth. So feel free to consult your dentist for the night guard that's custom made for you.